Okay guys, I just want to give you a quick rundown of how we're going to be using Blackboard for the course. There's really not much in Blackboard that we're going to be doing. So you'll notice over at the left there's just a few links here. The home page, of course, is that first page that you log into. I will be posting announcements to Blackboard, so make sure you keep an eye on that. But typically anytime I post an announcement to Blackboard, I'll also send out an email. So those will basically go together, but definitely be checking your email, as you guys all know. Some other links here to the left, there's a class materials link. If you click on that, you'll see there's a list of materials related to what we're going to be doing. Just right off the bat, you see several chapters, a syllabus, some due dates, registration instructions, and a tutorial video. And so you definitely want to at least get started here with some of these things, read through the syllabus. If you're interested in when the due dates of the homework are, that's here in this document. Registration instructions for MyMathLab are in this document, and then there's a tutorial video to get you started with MyMathLab if you've never used it. Along with all those, there are materials for each chapter that we're going to be covering. I'm going to be recording and uploading videos. Actually, they're already there for each chapter, for each section. And so you can click on those. They're just links to YouTube for each section, and kind of breaks it down, different problems for those sections. To go along with those videos, there are also notes, and so in the videos you'll see that I'm working through different example problems, and those are all here in these notes. And so if you want to follow along, you can download a blank copy of those notes with those examples that I'm working, and also kind of work along with those videos. And so there's materials posted for each section we'll be covering, and that's basically it for the class materials. It's all there just for you to use. There's no assignments in there that you need to complete. It's just all basically references for you as you're working through the homework. There's those videos and the notes there that you can look at and get some help with. The next link down is MyMathLab. I'll skip that for now, and then of course your Blackboard email, and so there you can get a link to the email. Just a quick note about Blackboard email: I don't use it much because I don't get notified when you send me messages there. So if you send me an email to my email address, I'll get a notification instantly showing that I've got that new email. But if you send me a message on Blackboard, I actually have to physically go in and check those messages, and usually I only do that about once a day. And so if you email me, it could be a day, or I'm sorry, if you send me a Blackboard message, it could be a day or longer until I get back with you on that. So if you want a quicker response, email is definitely the way to go. That's really it as far as Blackboard. There's the home page with announcements, the class materials, and the email. And that's about all we'll be doing with Blackboard. There's no grades in Blackboard, nothing else. It's just a place to post those materials and announcements, and then a link to MyMathLab, which if you click, that link will take you there. From here you need to click over to the MyMathLab instruction video and those registration instructions to get going there. If you have questions on Blackboard, please let me know. Otherwise, best of luck.